you guys what's up. I'm going to be showing you my toolbox. So we're going to start off with some things. First we're going to start off with some, this is a protein tank. This one is two. Some earbuds, spray paint, later, and some of these cord. The first one is my drink drawer. Some Stanley stuff, glue, pencil, sharpener, and some pencils, Sharpie, and then little pickers, big one, mini one, and then like small ones. Got these, and then some scissors, keys, some locks, and this thing's actually kind of weird. Knife, some pocket knife, big one right here, and then some fillet knives, really old. My grandpa's actually, in fact. Here's this one's really old. And stuff, more wire, and then it's basically on the screwdrivers. This one's a weird one, actually. It's kind of weird how the tip is. But yeah, it's got a third drawer here for the wrenches. Got lots of them actually. These wrenches and these wrenches and then these wrenches. These. And yeah, I'm gonna be going to this drawer. Some blades. Go big and small. This like a big one wrench. This is used for temp, but yeah, now we're going. And this has some stuff. Instead of using a power tool, you can like use this. And we're gonna move on this drawer. Some tape measures, another tape measure, some really long ones, like ones that I couldn't fit. They're so long. These, there's like two of them, one small one. This, my hammer, and then this, all these, and then some really good like purple glue and some yarn. Put this back. These are actually my grandpa's actually. We start off with this thing cuts pretty good. Pretty cool. Safety one too. And then a big saw, which I want to use for the winter. Make some snow forts. Really old. Back, and then his big machete. Doesn't even have grip, it's just tape. Big machete you cut with. Really sharp actually. Shut that up. And then basically just like humongous junk drawer. Some extra stuff with this. Broken wrench. A light basically thing. It's got a magnet on it, so yeah, pretty dope. See, like it comes out. So, and here's the other part of it. There's another one actually, not the other part of that one, but like, there's another one. Some extra stuff and some wood, and nothing really down there. And here's what the toolbox looks like from back here. Mine, and then my dad's. My dad's is really big. Pretty crazy, but then there's mine. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's your drawer, so hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in a video.